Hi, subscribers. Hi, viewers. Welcome to day 11 of our HSK Chinese Mandarin Flashcards Challenge. And today, our character and word of today is ta. Ta means he or him. Remember, previously we go through the deck of flashcards and actually try to identify a particular flashcard. Sorry, and we've done these, which were da, shi, zhe, guo, lai, men, bu, zai, he, yo. So we have these characters that we've done in the past. So today we're looking for one which is ta. So let me just go through. We go through all the whole deck to try to identify as many flashcards I can remember, because we've been practicing this for a while, and we try to increase our deck by a few flashcards a day or after a few days when we've made some progress. So our target today is to get something like 80 characters correct. So let's go to this. This is shui, ri, di, chi. If I get something wrong, I'll put it aside. Ch, fa, I got it wrong. Tsai, chang, I got it wrong. Ko, correct. Ben, wrong. Hui, when. Chu, this is Chu, I know. This is May. I want to show you something. This we got May, and we got Ri. I'm sure we came across Ri. Here is Ri here. I'll put these aside. This is, remember I mentioned that if someone is from a country, you say Tashi, whatever. Tashi. No, Ri, we can't use it with Ri because Ri goes with Ben. So Tashi Meiguo, meaning that this is America. Tashi Meiguoren is American. So let's go through the rest of the cards. This is Shuang, Bei, Bao, Nei, Si, Chi, G, Chi. I got it wrong today, so I'm just going to put Shang, San, Nu, Tian, Si, Bing, Tsai, Pian. Like today, I went to pay for my traffic ticket. This is my receipt. You say Jiao Pian. This is a ticket. It could be a traffic ticket or a train ticket, whatever ticket. You say Jiao Pian. Here we go. Shang, Jiao, Xiao, Ying, Yang. Yang means ship, and I've been struggling with this character for a while now, and I managed to get it correctly today. Yang means ship. If I'm correct, that's what I was told previously. Shuo, Lin, Zuo, Ban, Shi, Ba. I should have known that character. Yon, Hui. Remember, there's a Hui. Some characters sound the same, but they mean different things. I'll show you once we come across these characters in the future. Shang, Tu. This is Ta, De, Kan, we got it wrong. This is ch. Today I seem to be getting a few characters because we did increase our deck. There's a little bit of confusion, but this is very similar to can. I will explain it to you in the future. How this is can. No, I'll look for can in the deck. Sorry, it's my fault. Can, okay, I'll put aside so you can see what I'm talking about. Can. This is very similar to can. Li, Gao, Bei, Me, So, Chuan, Shin, Zhong. This is, if it's not Nai, I can say Nai, got it correct. This is nine. Nai. It's Nai. Nai. It means sister. May. Nai and May. One is big sister. One is older sister. One little sister. Jin. May. So. Got it correct. Got it wrong. Yu. Pa. Wei. Shui. Shui. This and Bing, they look similar. Remember, Bing has got a different character. It's easy for me to remember that way. This is Liang. This is Jin. Wo. Liu. Da. Le. Che. Gong. Shang. Shang. Shi. Si. Shi. Yuan. If you watch my previous videos, I've always been getting Lao and Shi wrong. So this is part of Lao Shi, meaning teacher. Yuan, meaning money, Chinese currency, like yuan, Doshi Shao Yuan. How much is it? Pa. Ta. This is the character we've been looking for. So we found Ta here. We're going to put it aside with the rest of these cards here and go to Shi. Oh, Lao Shi. Remember those two, Lao Shi. I got it wrong, so I'm just going to put aside. Sometimes I confuse them and make them, I just confuse them. So we're just going to put aside because I didn't get it correct the first time. We don't want to cheat. This is Yi, Tian, Kan. Kan means look. Ming. Ming means day also. So now let's go to put this aside. Remember, if I try to find Kan, I'm sure we came across it. If we didn't come across it, it will be here. This is Ni. Ma. Ta. Di. Or Di, part of Didi, meaning little brother. Mei. Ke. Fei. Chu, meaning to go. Jia, meaning home. Ke. How, meaning fine or well. This is part of weather. Let me just Jintian Tianxi. Tian Yu. Oh, sorry, I'm really I made a mistake. It means rain. Sorry, I really made a mistake. It's my fault about this one. Bi. Xia. Tong, meaning to follow. Men. Guang. I need to practice. Zhang. Shu, meaning book. Dou, meaning how many. Part of Dou Shao Qian. It's a measurement word. Ren. Gong, Shan meaning mountain. This is Pang. Pengyo means friend. This is part of Pang. Chi, Jiu. Pa, yeah, I got it wrong. This is D, K, or remember De, Kerga and Didi. So I got it wrong. I normally get it correct. Ma, this ma means horse. Pa, if you recognize most of the characters which have got this means pa, this is pa, but I realize that most of the characters with this character here, you just mean pa. The easy way for me to remember is just a little bit of B upside down. This is Tai, Zi, Yue, month, Xiao, I got it correct today. This is Wu. So we're going to go through this deck I'm going to put this aside here to see if no, I'm just going to leave it aside. But if you watch my next video, you'll see and understand what I mean about Kan. But this is not Kan, this is Che. I've identified two characters which actually mean the pronouns, the tone is the same, but they are pronounced completely different, but the characters are just the same. It all depends on how you're using them. So let's just go through and count how many flashcards I got correct today on day 11. So we got 82, which is really a good progress considering that the first day when I tried this challenge, we could actually identify something like 40 characters. But the thing is, there were just a few cards on the deck. So, and now we're above 80, which is something really interesting. Our target by end of in the next few days, 4-5 days, we want to have reached over 100 flashcards. So let's see where we are. This is there, this is she, this is Lai, this is men, this is Bu, this is Tsai, this is her, and this is Yo. Yes, I got it correct. This is Tsai, Che. Got it wrong. I need to practice. Che Shi Shama. This meaning this. Che Shi Shama. Che Shi Wada. This is mine. I know the pronunciation. I just mistook it. Sorry. This is May, and we got Ta. So remember, Che is what I got wrong. So anyway, we'll keep on practicing until we reach our target of 100 flashcards in the next 4-5 days or so. And by practicing, we make everything perfect. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, watch my other content about life in China in general, and be posting more videos. I've got an exhibition content which I went to related to mining, and I also attend other events in China of something that you might be interested in. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel.